Hey everybody, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. We are excited this week to introduce one of our new and fantastic tools, a carbon miles calculator in Excel. It's designed to make your life easier, automate certain processes, and remove human error from day-to-day operations. Our carbon miles calculator is tailored for the trucking industry to calculate CO2 or carbon emissions based on each trip's distance and weight. Since our tools are built completely in Excel, there's nothing else you need to install. As long as you have Excel, you're good to go. We integrate the Google Maps and Carbon interface for accurate distances and carbon calculations. We've been building Excel tools for the last 16 years and have over 7,500 happy customers. We receive emails almost weekly about how much our tools help reduce errors and increase efficiency. Feel free to check out our Google reviews. There are nearly 130 as of this recording. See for yourself what our customers have to say. To use the Carbon Miles calculator, simply input your trips by entering each from and to address for your trucking routes. Our tool uses Google Maps API, so it can handle full addresses, zip codes, and even partial addresses. The more detailed the address, the more accurate the distance calculation. Next, enter the weight for each trip. We recommend setting up a few things before doing so by going to the Settings tab. That's where you'll add your Google Maps API key, your Carbon Interface API key, choose your distance unit, miles or kilometers, set your weight unit, pounds or kilograms, and decide on your carbon unit, grams, pounds, kilograms, or metric tons. After entering your trip information, click Calculate Distances to fetch the mileage data between each origin and destination. Then, select Calculate Carbon to see the carbon footprint of each trip. The tool factors in the distance, weight, and chosen carbon units to display your final emissions result. You can switch units at any time by updating your choices in the settings and recalculating. Thank you for watching. To download the Carbon Miles Calculator tool, click the link in the description below. You'll find everything you need to start calculating your carbon emissions in no time. If you have any questions, feel free to call or email us. Here's our contact info on the screen. It's really us on the other end. One of the biggest surprises people get is when they call and we actually pick up the phone. No answering service, no runaround, just direct support for our Excel tools. We also invite you to check out our other 50+ Excel tools on the website. We truly appreciate your support and can't wait to hear how this Carbon Miles calculator helps you streamline your operations. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, take care and happy calculating.